Alright, good morning. So today I am going to visit the pyramids outside of Mexico City. I think they're called Teotihuacan, something like that. They look pretty interesting, so I'm excited to go see them. I'm going to take public transportation instead of a private company going with them. So I've got to take the metro and a couple buses, so hopefully I can make it there. Alright, so I just got off the bus and entered into kind of the site here where all the pyramids and different buildings are. Like I said, I took the public transportation. It was super easy. If you're ever here and want to do it, all you have to do is take the metro, I think it's line 5, it's the yellow line, to the north bus station. It's like Autobuses Norte. So the metro stops at the actual bus station, and then you go to, I think it was like gate 8. Those are the buses that take you to the pyramids here. You get a ticket. It was like 104 pesos for here and back, so about $5, just over $5. So super simple. It was about a 45-50 minute bus ride, so real easy. Again, like I said, I am here by myself. I'm not taking a tour, so I'm gonna roam around and check all the pyramids out. So I was told by somebody at the entrance that it's about 2 kilometers to the Pyramid of the Sun, and then an extra kilometer from there to the Pyramid of the Moon. So a pretty big site, lots of walking, but no worries. Sun's out, it's a little bit warm, but it's not too bad. It's probably 70 degrees or so it feels pretty good. Anyways, first stop, Pyramid of the Sun. So just climbed up the Pyramid of the Sun. Now I'm back down going to the Pyramid of the Moon. It was pretty steep actually. Gets you a little bit winded by the time you get to the top, but it's not too tall. But I'm really starting to burn, so I think it's time to find a spot to put some sunscreen on. Is it rubbed in? Alright, I just sunscreened up. Now it's to the Pyramid of the Moon. Alright, so just went up and down the Pyramid of the Moon. That one wasn't quite as interesting as the Pyramid of the Sun. It's a lot smaller. You could only go up halfway, but still an interesting view from the top. But now I'm going to walk back toward the entrance and check out some of the other structures and buildings as well. Alright, well I've made it back to the entrance. I'm about to go to the bus station to catch the bus back to Mexico City. But yeah, if you're ever in Mexico City, this is definitely a fun activity to do. Super simple. Like I said, I took public transportation. It was about $5 for the round trip bus ticket and 70 pesos to get in here, about $4. You also have the option to do tours. I don't know how much those cost, but either way, definitely a fun thing to do. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.